Hey everyone, Joe Rabondo here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. Bike of the week is a 2011 CVO Street Glide. CVO, as you guys know, has a one-of-a-kind paint job, lots of chrome from the factory. A couple of the upgrades that this customer did on the bike was they put a daymaker in for a headlight. Also, on the CVOs, we got speakers in the lowers. We got the 110 cubic inch motor. We got a Vance & Hines exhaust system on this bike. One of the other options the customer did, he put a quick release tour pack on this with a luggage rack. The CVOs are known for a special paint job and lots of chrome. This bike has lots of chrome in the front. He's got chrome switch housing, brake lever, clutch lever, and so on. As you can see, it's a very clean motorcycle. If you guys want to come down and check it out yourselves, we will be here. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. Come down and check out this great bike. Thank you guys.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.